How's it going? In this video, we are going to talk about 3 common woodworking shop layout mistakes to avoid. Creating a woodworking shop layout is akin to orchestrating a symphony. Every tool, bench, and space must harmonize to enhance productivity and creativity. However, even seasoned woodworkers can fall into common pitfalls that hinder efficiency and workflow. In this video, we'll explore 3 main woodworking shop layout mistakes and provide solutions to help you optimize your workspace. First is neglecting workflow planning. One of the most common mistakes in woodworking shop layout is failing to consider workflow. Without a well-planned workflow, tasks become disjointed, leading to wasted time and effort. Solution: designate zones. To remedy this, divide your shop into distinct zones based on workflow. Start with an entry zone for material storage and receiving. Then arrange workstations logically, ensuring smooth transitions from one task to another. Next is overlooking space utilization. Inadequate space utilization is another common mistake that can hinder productivity in a woodworking shop. Cluttered or poorly arranged spaces can lead to safety hazards and limit the functionality of your tools and equipment. Solution: optimize layout and take inventory of your tools, equipment, and materials, and assess how they're currently arranged. Optimize your layout by prioritizing accessibility and efficiency. Utilize vertical space with wall-mounted storage solutions for hand tools and smaller equipment. Invest in mobile workstations and tool carts to maximize flexibility and adaptability. Finally, it's ignoring ergonomics. Ignoring ergonomics is a critical mistake that can lead to discomfort, fatigue, and even injury over time. A poorly designed woodworking shop can strain your body and detract from the joy of woodworking. Solution: prioritize comfort and safety. When planning your shop layout, prioritize ergonomics to ensure comfort and safety. Position workbenches and tool stations at the appropriate height to reduce strain on your back, shoulders, and arms. Invest in anti-fatigue mats to cushion your feet during long hours of standing. Additionally, pay attention to lighting and ventilation to create a well-lit, comfortable environment. As you can see, creating an efficient woodworking shop layout requires careful planning and attention to detail. By avoiding these common mistakes, you can optimize your workspace for maximum efficiency and creativity. With a well-designed layout, you'll enjoy smoother operations, improved safety, and enhanced satisfaction in your woodworking endeavors. If you got value out of this video, please comment, like, and share. By the way, would you like to get 3 more common mistakes to avoid when setting up your shop? Click the first link in the description box below to check them out. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the Find Info World channel to get more helpful videos like this.